staging die-ins, flash mobs, full-scale rioting, hashtags, concept albums, disrupting candidates, skywriting, wearing black armbands, occupying Washington, D.C., art of installations, memes, marching through populated areas, all night vigils, waving signs, arranging sit-ins, graffiti, teach-ins, filing lawsuits, linking arms, writing op-eds, holding round-table discussions, signing a mass petition, boycotting businesses.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.